Guys, check out what I got, man. I got this this adapter, and it's for my Canon VIXIA, and I haven't opened it yet. Thought I'd wait to get it here on the on camera, but this is a game changer because I don't have to keep charging the battery, take out the battery and charge it. I can just plug it in, and as you can see, it's just a regular old, what you call that, DC plug. Now, it's not a OEM or original manufactured product, but it is a replacement product, and I already have one of these, but not like this. This one has what I think is a surge protector of some sort. But I've been waiting for this. I got two Canon VIXIAs, and I wanted to be able to power up both instead of just charge up one at a time. This way I can go ahead and charge it up. But that's the charge up AC adapter from Just Da. I'm not joking. Like, that's what it says.